Are you making pomegranate jelly? Wow, that's healthy and yummy, but you know that. Pomegranate peel tea is beneficial in case of sore throat and cough because pomegranate has high amounts of vitamin C and antioxidants that give you quickly recover. Take washed fresh pomegranate peel or wash pomegranate peels and dry them in sunlight for 4 days and make powder. For further use, in some pomegranate peel add to glass of water. Boil at low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, pomegranate peel tea is ready to give you relief from the cold. If you want some sweet, then add honey. Subscribe our channel for more useful remedies.